starting the tear down on this 6 litre out of the VE that had that really bad top end knock. So straight away what we can see here, we have a loose rocker, but what's interesting is that the valve's open. So that can only be two things, which is a bent valve, or what we're finding more and more is a dropped valve seat. And what we can do is that we actually just look down the port, we will get our answer, which is going to be hard to get the light in there. You can in fact see that the valve seat has dropped. So we'll keep the tear down happening and see if that's damaged the piston or anything. So a few of the others that have had this happen, yeah, the piston shattered and cracked the block, and we have had some where it hasn't hit anything. So let's see how lucky this one is.